Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to edit YouTube videos. For example, if you have a YouTube channel and now if you want to make your video look better with good editing, right on your mobile. You can do it on laptop also, but in this tutorial, I'll explain right on the mobile how you can edit easily, quickly, and simply. And that too, this tool is from Google, not from any third-party apps or something like that. On the Play Store, just search as YT Create, which is nothing but YouTube Create. So this I already has installed on my mobile, so I'll directly click on open. If you don't install it yet, you can click on install. See here, okay, here you'll find this plus symbol. You need to click on this so that it will open your gallery and you can select the videos. So tap on this. Yeah, you can select any of the video. For example, this one, click on import. This will now get into the main editor. See here, this is the video and here you can edit, and these are the options. Split in the sense, for example, if you use the option split, the video gets into two. Means when you want to delete any part of the video, so you just click on a split and adjust the area and again split, and now you can select this, and here you have the option like delete. See here, I have deleted a clip, so this will be useful in the trimming purpose. Yeah, you can play and check here. You can play and check the video for here, and you can write some text, plain text or something like that. Okay, so I can choose the aspect ratio, wider, the cell phone portrait size, or 1:1, whatever it may be. You can have this portrait size. Now I'll confirm to this. Okay, uh, see here, I can keep different stickers or some animated GIF videos right on the overlay of the video. So as they are loading up, it is taking a bit of time. So you can use this, and you can also keep some sound. And one thing I prefer this video editing tool from YouTube is I can keep the music videos without any issues, because when I download and keep some music on the YouTube videos for the editing, I'm getting like this video is not monetized, or this video is not allowed to be monetized because of this music which is used in the video. So there will be no issues such when you're using this editor. If you don't give a voice here, you can click on this voiceover and you can give the voiceover now. Okay, in this way this will be useful. And one more thing, and these are the undo and redo options which are at the top here. And at the top there are three options like export. Once you're done with the video, you can click on export so that it gets downloaded to your phone. And there are many options here, and I feel this is one of the really good options. And I can keep video in video also. That is really important, because most of the editors don't have this option, and I can resize the video here. See here, now the both the videos gets played here. See,